You are an artist?
Huh?
You are an artist?
Artist.
What do you do?
Thanks. What do you do?
What do you do?
What? How do you do? What do? I do Nadaswaram.
What? Nadaswaram?
Nadaswaram. What? Nadaswaram. You see, in marriages, in temples, you see 4 boys sitting in one corner. Not there. In marriages. 4 boys sitting in one corner, producing noise after the mic.
Oh, mic.
Mic, you know? Mic.
Amplifier.
Amplifier. Sound service. I am not sound service. See, Nadaswaram is a sound producing machine.
Machine?
No, not machine. Sound producing tube. So tube with a lot of holes. One side you put air. No water, air. One side you put air. Other side, very good sound comes out. And everyone is happy, sir, while going home.
You are manufacturing?
Manufacturing.
Nadaswaram?
No, not Nadaswaram. Sound.
You are a magician?
No, musician.
Your name?
My name? Gana Kaladara. Gandharva Gana Lola. Kalyuga Gana Tilaka. Nada Brahma. Kochappa. Brother Seshappa. Kopanapti Seshappa. I am Kopanapti Seshappa. That is Maniachi Dakshinamurti. And he is the towel player.
Towel?
Towel. No, not towel. This is towel. That is towel. Sir, the towel is a round but square. Leather. No, not suitcase. Not suitcase. Sorry. You hit, sir, sound. You hit, sound comes.
Oh, like tabla.
Tabla, sir. Correct, sir. You say correct, sir. Tabla. Tabla you hand, sir. Here you stick, sir. Ottu is Payalu. Payalu is the Ottu. Always Payalu is the Ottu. In the Kacheri, you sit my side, sir. Sir, whenever I do wrong music, sir,
He will tell you,
no, I hit him.
What? You commit mistake and you hit him?
Why? I can't hit you. That is why. Sir, I'm very sorry, sir. I don't talk good words, sir. I always talk bad words. Because I study only 9th standard, sir. But Maniachi is only 7th standard fail. What to do, sir? In my village, only 9th standard, sir. SLC means you go to town. My Apache said, no. Don't go to town. You go to town, you drink BD. One day, very big water, sir.
Oh, lake?
No, not lake. Sky. From sky, very big water. With a lot of air. We are coming from school.
Oh, girl.
No, not girl. All boys.
Girl.
Oh, Gale. Gale. No. Gale. So, but everywhere water, sir. Upstairs water, downstairs water, everywhere water. Tomorrow morning I go to school. School went to town. Why are you very sad, sir? Sir, you are manufacturing. Sir, you are also manufacturing business.
Manufacturing.
You are manufacturing.
Manufacturing.
What?
You know? Sip, straw, manufacturing.
What are you talking? You are not talking good English. I am talking better. What sip, straw? You mean this straw? Cool drink you put. I understand.
Really? Yes. I have almost forgotten my English and started talking like them. It took 2 aspirins and 1 hour reading of this English grammar book to get back my vocabulary. You bought this grammar book? What to do? Quite funny.
Sir! Hello, sir! Namare!
Oh God! They are coming again! Please, save me.
மறந்தே போயிட்டீங்க. ஞாபகம் இல்ல? பிள்ளைங்க நம்ம பக்கத்து சீட்ல உட்கார்ந்தாங்களே. ஆங்கிலம் தான் அவ்வளவா வராது. ஆனா நம்ம பேசல புரிஞ்சுப்பாங்க. What, sir? You forgotten us?
How can I?
How do you do, sir, in the aerodrome?
Sir, before you come to Madras or nowadays only? I have come number of times. No, இப்பதான் வராங்களாம். You like our Madras city Madras you like? Of course. I like people's simplicity. You like simplicity. Madras city you don't like. What, sir? Sir, this is the Maniachi Dakshinamurthy Pillai, sir. I spoke. This is the Tamil. India Mani. He is of the Ottu, sir. In the airplane, you saw them, sir, sitting they separately together. They are that, sir. Maniachi, sir is the manufacturing of the tube. Cool drink tube, sir, manufacturing. Yes, sir. Your company white tube only or color tube? All colors, white also. 2 holes, only water, no air. Oh God, I have also started again. Sir, now only you talk good English, sir. Sir, in the canteen, Payanu ate soup with your tube, sir. Your company tube ate soup. Very funny, sir. But மணியச்சிக்காரங்க சொல்லாமல என்ன உங்க பழையட்டுமே மணியச்சிக்காரங்க ate with a broken spoon, sir. Broken spoon? Spoon, sir. Broken in the middle 3 times. Oh, fork. No, only 3 times. The next door man laughed, sir, and we got stomachache. Stomachache? Stomachache, sir. Oh, stomachache? No, stomachache. English. The stomach, this is stomach, sir. Ah! Ache. Stomachache, body ache, head ache. English, sir. A-C-H-E is the. அவருக்கு புரியல விடுங்க. சரி விட்டுருமோ. பைசா. I get headache. I'm sorry. Headache. I go canteen. Ask 2 coffee. 4 aspirins I put. Drink. Put tube. That is poison. I put poison. Drink. இப்ப பரவாயில்ல ஒரு மாதிரி நம்ம மாதிரி பேசலாம்.